I'm making pancakes for dinner, but this looks pretty insane, you have to admit. If this doesn't work, I'm feeling a little testy this evening.
Really?
Shut up.
What do you mean it's not working? Did you put Pam on?
Yeah.
Like a lot?
Like a lot. That's the thing. Well, I guess this is how I eat my pancakes anyways. Why does it have to be a perfect circle?
Doesn't.
The mix I'm using is Kodiak gluten-free protein pancakes. These are not my favorite gluten-free pancakes. My favorite are King Arthur gluten-free pancakes. Those are actually psychotic. Second place would be Birch Benders. So, if you're wanting to go gluten-free. Where are my chocolate chips? True. Yes! Okay guys, here's the finished product. So yummy and so beautiful and perfect looking. A perfect end to my pancake evening is now, it's like storming. And I love when it's storm. Is he wet still? I love when it rains. Like, it genuinely makes me happy. We're just sitting here with the door open, listening to the rain. Oliver's a little unsure about it. Ollie, what do you think of the rain? Normally, I don't do this, but I came and got Starbucks this morning. Oh my gosh, whoa! Oh my gosh, the sunrise is really pretty. Holy cow. Okay, so basically I woke up just feeling like sickly. Like, I feel like I just have a cold or something, but we don't have any like Dayquil or anything like that, so I came out to go get some Dayquil. Oh my gosh, wow, that is really pretty. Okay, so for me, oh, why is that shaking? Hello? Okay. So this whole pumpkin cream cold brew nonsense is just way too pumpkin-y for me. Like, it's just pretty disgusting to me. I've been ordering just like a normal cold brew with cold foam, and then I just get like one pump of pumpkin like sauce in it or whatever. Also, what is the difference between like the sauce and the like flavor? Or I don't know, there's like different words and I don't get it. If you know the difference, let me know. Hello, so I just got home from work and it's probably like 5:30. So I'm gonna shower. I want to have like a very relaxing evening. Tomorrow, Isaac and I are going to Dallas for the weekend. So I'll make sure to video that because we're bringing our dog Oliver with us, and he tends to struggle in the car. So wish us luck for that little adventure. If you have any tips on how to make your dog not throw up in the car, that would be good. So, thanks in advance. We made some teriyaki salmon and trying to make rice, but
It says cover, and then when you cover it, it's just a puddle, a soup of rice.
we're having some cuddles before we go to bed, even though I'm allergic to dogs. You still have to cuddle sometimes. Okay, we're in the car.
Oh, God.
And he does not do well in cars at all. And we'll be in here for about 4 hours. So I'll keep you updated on our journey back to Dallas. He already looks very upset.
Yeah, he is.
Guys, we almost made it. And look at him. He's doing such a good job.
I would just say.
We got stuck in a lot of traffic. And it started absolutely downpouring. He's doing good. Right. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. And do you have anything to say?
No. Thank you.
That's all I have for you. So we're gonna go to bed now. And